Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to install FFmpeg on Windows 11 step by step. FFmpeg is a powerful free tool used to convert, compress, and edit videos using command prompt. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to ffmpeg.org. Click on Download, then choose Windows. Scroll down and download the zip file. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Now, right-click the downloaded zip file and select Extract All. Open the extracted folder. Inside, you'll see a folder named bin. Copy all files in bin folder. Next, open local disk C. Create a new folder and name it FFmpeg. Paste the files to FFmpeg. Now copy file path from address bar. Now we need to add FFmpeg to the system path. Click on Search, type Environment Variables, and Edit the System Environment Variables. Click Environment Variables. Under User Variables, select Path, then click Edit. Click New and paste the copied path. Click OK, then OK again to save. Now let's verify the installation. Open Command Prompt. Type the command FFmpeg and press Enter. If FFmpeg is installed correctly, you can see the FFmpeg details on the screen. Now let's try to convert a video file. Suppose your video file is located at Video folder in D drive. To convert it to MP4 in the same folder, run this command, FFmpeg-I, d:/video/dsc.mov, -c, copy d:/video/dsc.mp4. Press Enter, and FFmpeg will start converting the video. Once completed, you'll find the converted MP4 file in the same folder. That's it. You have successfully installed FFmpeg on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.